central maintenance facility supports the 11 bus operating divisions in LA County. We do heavy maintenance. We fabricate parts, rebuild parts. Heavy maintenance includes doing midlife overhauls. We paint buses, put in new engines, and that type of work that's not normally done out of the operating divisions.
Midlife process consists of is basically overhauling a bus into as new as you can get it to being factory delivered. First it comes in and we completely steam clean it, remove all the old decals, goes to the paint shop, gets a fresh coat of paint, comes into the midlife shop where we replace the suspension work, we do brakes, we do the interiors as well. Then from there it goes into our running repair shop, which installs a brand new engine package together with a brand new engine, transmission, cooling systems. From that, the final step is going into our system shops where they get a thorough inspection right before they go back to service to the divisions.
We use the machine, the dyno, to basically check for leaks, loose fittings, any cracks, before they have to just drive it and let the bus learn itself. It's basically like a simulator.
In our fabrication shops, we do a lot of work for rail. Our machine shop, for example, about 25% of the work we do is parts and components that are used in rail.
What the robots do is actually they provide support for all the shops here in CMF, whether it be picking up parts or delivering parts. They have a system where it's laid out in bins in a big storage facility here at the CMF storeroom. And basically we order parts through the M3 system. They come down, the robot brings them down, and if we have stuff for them to take back, we take it on back.
I love my job. I just love my job. It's beautiful. And becoming a leader in transmission, I am the soul. If I don't get my job done, then the division fleet is down. So it's very, very important.
It gives me a great deal of satisfaction knowing that customers are able to enjoy the fruits of our labor and the work we put into making these buses in top form. Because I know a lot of our customers depend on our buses to get around the city, and it fills me with a great sense of pride to know that they choose us.